Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Today I'm going to be reviewing brief exercise 12-6. The question states, the comparative balance sheets for Vaughn Manufacturing show these changes in non-cash current asset accounts. Account receivable decreased by $85,500. Prepaid expenses increased by $26,100. And inventories increased by $41,100. Compute net cash provided by operating activities using the indirect method, assuming that net income is $194,100. And I'm going to show step by step below how to calculate this. So the first part of the problem, we have to give it a title. So underneath Vaughn Manufacturing Statement of Cash Flows Indirect Method, we can see right here that title is Cash Flows from Operating Activities. And we know that because it tells us up here that that's what we're working on, is operating activities. They give us the net income of $194,100, which comes in right here, net income at $194,100. So after we've put in our net income, the next part is the adjustments to reconcile net income to, and the title there would be Net Cash Provided by Operating Activities, because that's what they've asked us to compute, the net cash provided by operating activities using the indirect method. So we're told up here at the top that accounts receivable is decreased by $85,500. So we have a decrease in accounts receivable of $85,500. It does show here as a positive number, and the reason for that, if you review slide number 28 in the PowerPoint presentation, it says the reason we add the decrease in accounts receivable is because the cash receipts are higher than the revenue earned, and the company adds to the net income the amount of the decrease in accounts receivable. So that's why it is a decrease, but we add it here. Then there's an increase in inventory, which we get from up here, of $41,100, and an increase in prepaid expenses, which we also get up here from prepaid expense increase of $26,100. And the reason that, although it's increased, but they have negatives in front of them, you can see that on the PowerPoint presentation on slide 32, and it states, when prepaid expense balance increases, the cash paid for expenses is higher than reported on the accrual basis. The company deducts the decrease from net income. So that's why these are negatives right here. We then total these three items right here, and we get $18,300. We add that $18,300 to our net income, and we get a net cash provided by operating activities of $212,400. And that is how you complete brief exercise 12-6. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.